Hello, everyone. So, it's been a great weekend. So, here's what I got for you, people. This grill was in the trash can. I was actually hanging out with President's Diva at her grandmother's house. And, so I was coming back from there, and I was heading to Brewster, and I scored this grill out of the trash can, and then this piece of aluminum was on the side of the road, but next to these mailboxes. So that was that, and then so I'm gonna throw this out the truck. Just get out of the way. So I was at my mom's yesterday, and my mom's house yesterday, and it's my mom and her boyfriend's house, I should say. And I was, walking into the garage and everything, cleaning stuff out. So gave me that thing, and then I got these saw blades. Trying to reach this thing, that thing, and then this thing. This is also from Preston's Diva's aunt. It's actually a steering wheel lock thing, so that's pretty cool. And then some hinges and stuff, so that's okay. And then this is actually a working fridge, so I'm gonna try to put that for sale on the Facebook Dutchess County yard sale, and we'll see what I can get for this, because it works. I don't want to do anything wrong to it. And then this battery was from a long tractor. Then this battery was from my neighbor, from my mom's neighbors, or my neighbors across the street from my mom's house. So yeah, so that's just what the scrap is about, and we'll be back with you another day. All right, peace, everyone.